Um, what's your budget for on each case?
Anything. Like literally anything.
I'll go $13. You know.
I'm down. That's what I wanted to do.
There's a cool battle up. That's on top.
See, oh, I got you.
No, no, no.
Oh, I know.
Look for the cactus icon. Yeah, do it. I dare you. You fucking bitch, dude. Wow, dude. And it's this dude too. You motherfucker.
Come on, baby.
Oh my god.
Let's go.
Fuck you, bro. I'm looking off. Good night. This is a 1v1v1.
Thanks.
Slap. Fuck you.
What are you gonna do now?
What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do this. You don't beat me on my own combo.
Tell me if you put anything up.
I'm gonna put something up right now.
Alright.
You don't beat me on this. It's my combo.
Yeah, I know. I know I don't win these.
You asshole. Fucking. I'm just kidding. I'm happy though. I'm happy one of us won at least.
I know, same.
We would have lost. Yeah?
I definitely should have done the other side. No, I'm joking. We got this back.
$1.
Yeah, no, I know. Oh. Dude, this is big.
Oh no, just in case.
Please.
Go down.
Oh,
Yes,
please.
That's big.
Oh, let's go.
Told you wanted to beat me on my own battle.
Yeah, no. Alright, let me put something out.
Go.
I'm feeling
Remember, I'm a pussy. Nope, not doing that.
Oh, really?
You can do it.
You wanna join?
I just hate that case.
You do?
Mhm.
Alright, let's
Put it up.
do
If you want to
this.
do it.
And will you join this?
Mhm.
Alright, let's go.
Where is it? Is this one?
Keep out, nice. Alright, ready for this?
Mhm.
Come on, baby. Alien relic. Nice. Oh no! Fuck. Alright, this
No,
is
my
fine. It's
chopper
fine.
was good too.
Yeah. Pull here.
Oh!
Go down. Oh, that's big.
Let's go!
That is big.
Look at you! Get out with something.
No, I just want glory. AK, that's it.
Alright.
That's,
Is there one in shop?
what?
Is there one in shop?
No, there's not. I'm just gonna wait until it comes up.
Alright, I guess it's my turn.
Alright.
This is a little weird one. I only know a few cases.
What is it? What's the first? What's the first case? I don't know the first. Hell. Oh, somebody joined you.
Oh, you have to join against me. Wow, dude. Fucking Connor, bro.
Fuck Connor.
Ooh.
Wow, fuck Connor for real.
No?
Yeah, I pulled that.
That's literally only a Soviet
little
rug.
more. I know. It's a little bit more, just.
Oh, we win.
Oh.
Fuck
Yeah,
you,
fuck
Connor. Fuck Connor.
Alright, you know what? I'm gonna run. I'm feeling I'm feeling a little risky here, you know.
I wish you good luck.
You wanna join?
Pussy. I'm a pussy. Sorry.
You sure?
Yep. I did $800 battle. I'll literally do an $800 battle, but I will not join this case. But I will be happy for you when you win.
Come on. Oh, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, but you know, that wouldn't have been my ticket though. My ticket would have been different.
Nah, bro. Is that how it works?
Yeah, because when you go to generate a new seed, that's your line of tickets, not.
Oh, really?
Unless it generates a line for your own battle for everybody else. I don't know, but.
So you think I got a little bit big or no?
No.
No.
All right, man. I'm gonna eat my food for a little bit. I'm gonna watch you.
Alright. Let's see. What am I feeling? Let's go down here. Top off rug with an exploration. That's kind of what I'm feeling right now.
Honestly, though, Burger King chicken sandwich is awesome.
Oh yeah.
This is my one cheat day. I've had fast food in like years, bro.
Oh, go up. Let's go. Okay, this is gonna be big.
Oh my
all this
You're up
exploration.
like $2-3.
Yeah, I know. Okay. After the exploration, let's go.
Let's go!
Hey,
Jesus, you're printing.
I know.
You need 60 something more dollars and you're in.
Alright, so what do you think I should do? Because that's the only thing I want. Once I get it, I'm golden.
Oh,
I don't care about anything else.
2 camos and a golden case.
Alright. 2v2 or 1v1?
Camos first.
1v1 or 2v2? Alright,
You
bet.
need 2 camos. Oh, you fucking.
Oh! Fuck! You fucked me. Wait, hold on. I'll just put up another one.
You gotta time it perfectly. Make sure the camos go off at the same time. And
No, but it's too hard.
then... You ready for Stomptown?
Fuck yeah.
Who's Pinky playing with right now?
I don't know. Let's see. Let me call this one a gold case. Imagine double mask.
Hmm?
Pull bag real quick.
Imagine a sleeping bag.
Yeah, pull up double bag. Don't worry, the other camo would juice me up, maybe. Scammo. Okay.
Let's go.
Take those.
Back.
Yeah.
It's
I still got
$2
one more.
profit.
I still got one more up right here.
Somebody's doing a fucking grid or Pandora.
Oh, please. Yo, let's go. I just need a little bit more.
Holy shit, Kuda.
Just a little bit. Need like 20. What's something good for like plus 20 plus 30?
Oh.
Ice.
Do a budget.
Huh?
Poseidon budget toxic.
Alright, in that order?
Yep. Poseidon.
Poseidon,
Toxic.
budget toxic. How many? Just this?
Uh-huh.
2v2? Or 1v1?
Yep. What are you doing? It was supposed to be 2v1.
Oh, it was?
2v1, yeah.
Dang. 2v1 gets hard.
Let's go.
Okay.
I think
Good
it's
so
like
far?
491. You're leading by 481.
Don't drop down the hill, right?
What?
You're leading by 480. Go down.
Oh, this is
yeah.
nice.
Where do you go?
Chilling now. I mean, unless anything
You're
can
off the
happen.
barrel though. You just need
Yeah.
to hit. If you hit and they hit a double barrel, that's money. You win, I think.
Nice. Let's
I don't know if
go.
that's enough.
I think yeah. I think it's
Let me see what
30.
it depots for.
I check please.
It depots for 338.
Because last time I checked, it was
So,
379 to take it out. I
maybe.
think.
Well, I'm in this class. Do I drop down again?
So I'm not sure. What do you think?
Dude. Well, I'm gonna get back my Christmas lights if you're gonna stop.
Alright, then you want to
Never
see
mind,
one?
some rat took them out.
Just like that. She a freaky little bitch, she like a nasty from the ride, y'all. Like, can you mess up that spot?